class, my name is Marty Holmes, and this is my new class proposal presentation for English 425, Writing for Digital Media, in Professor Paul Miller's class. There is a class that can help Central Penn College stand out among all other colleges. This class is Human Resource Information System Applications. I will discuss the benefits this class provides, the value it brings to the student body, and how it fulfills Central Penn College mission statement. Human Resource Information System Applications is the human resource management class of the future that Central Penn should add to its catalog to help business administration majors with a concentration in human resource management. The benefits of this class are many. This class combines human resource duties with human resource software, which is very important. This class provides employer-preferred experience. Many employers are looking for candidates that have experience in this software or a willingness to learn the software. This class helps improve the internship experience through learned skills. Interns that have this training will require less training from the employer and will actually be able to execute more human resource duties. Statistics shows that 38% of companies use artificial intelligence. 45% of companies are starting automation. 47% of companies use old human resource software. 70% of companies analyze employee data. These numbers are very important. It shows why this is important to have this class so students learn human resource software. The value to the students that this class provides. This is in the form of opportunities in the job market. This class will also help increase awareness of where a student prefers to focus in the field of HR. There are many human resource positions. This class will also give students academic recognition. Because students are familiar with the software, more jobs will seek Central Penn students for internships and employment opportunities. The mission statement. This class fulfills the mission statement through providing the tools for advancement for students who are already working in the field. For students who don't have experience in the field and are switching careers, it provides experience and knowledge. For our last group of students who are fresh out of college starting their careers, it helps them to be more desirable job candidates. In conclusion, Human Resource Information System Applications is a class that can help Central Penn stand out among all other colleges. I've discussed the benefits of this class. I've talked about how this class provides value to the student body and how this class fulfills Central Penn's mission statement by providing opportunities to various students. Human Resource Information System Applications is the human resource management class of the future that Central Penn should add to its catalog to help business administration majors with a concentration in human resource management. Central Penn should seize the opportunity to add this class to its catalog before another college does. This class will help Central Penn stand out in the human resource job market. This concludes my presentation.